Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing my baby version of Pink from Rainbow Friends. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the mouth. Let's start with a curve across in the middle. Then for the ends, let's curve it down and in on both sides. And now curve across the bottom to close it off. Next, let's add the teeth inside. Let's start at the top in the middle, and let's draw a pointed V shape over to the left and over to the right. Then two more on both sides. Now let's leave a gap and let's draw another tooth on the top left corner and the top right. Now let's hop down and do the bottom row. Let's start with two on the left and then leave a gap and two on the right. Now let's leave another gap and let's do three on the bottom left corner and the same on the right. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a curve around like this. And the same on the right. Now let's draw a line across to connect them at the bottom. Now let's hop to the top line and let's bring it in on both sides. And let's leave a gap in the middle. Now let's curve it up. And then a curve at the top. And that's it for the shape of the head. Next, let's move up and add the eyes. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up. And then let's bring it back around into the head like this. And now let's do the same on the right. Next, inside each eye at the top, let's add an oval. Then another oval inside each one of these. Then one more smaller oval inside again at the top. And now let's color the pupils in black. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. Underneath the head, let's draw two curves down like this. Then from the bottom, let's curve it down and in, leaving a gap. And then a curve at the bottom. Next, inside the body, let's draw a curve across for the top of the diaper. Next, let's add the legs. From the sides, let's draw an angled line down and then bring it down like this, forming a bent line. Then lines down from the inside. And then curves at the bottom to close off the legs. And that's it for baby Pink. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!